morning, students. How are you? How was your weekend? I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to Teacher I class. Okay, our lesson for today, students, is about farm animals. Okay, let us find out what are the different kinds of animals that we can see in the farm. Okay, let's start, students. Okay, look at the picture, students. That's the farm, how look like. Okay, what animal is that? What are those animals? Okay, in the farm, you will see cow. Okay, again, cow. Let's spell the word cow. C-O-W, cow. Very good. Let's proceed to the next animal that we can see in the farm. All right, what animal is that? It's a sheep. Okay, one more. Say it one more time. Sheep. Okay, let's spell the word sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Very good. Let's proceed to the next animal. All right, it's a horse. Yes, you can see also horse in the farm. Let's spell the word horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. All right. What's this? It's a hen. Okay, say it one more time. Hen. Let's spell the word hen. H-E-N. Hen. Very good. Next, we have goat. Okay, one more. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Very good. Next. Okay, what's this? Do you know what animal is this? It's a pig. Very good. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Next is, what animal is this? It's a dog. Right. Okay. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Very good. Let's proceed to the next animal that we can see in the farm. So what's this? Dog. Yes, it's a dog. D-U-C-K. Dog. Very good. Then we have meow. Okay, what's that? What animal making sound meow? It's a cat. All right. C-A-T. Cat. Very good. And then we have, oh, so cute. What animal is this? It's a rabbit. Say it one more time. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Very good. Okay, let's say again one more time the animals that we can see in the farm. Okay, everybody repeat after me. The animals that we can see in the farm are cow, sheep, horse. Hen, goat. Pig, dog, duck, cat, and rabbit. Very good. Okay, now let's answer the activity I prepared for you. Okay, let's practice first. Okay, look at the picture. Listen to the direction first. Okay, look at the picture and choose the correct word. Oh, okay, you will see 4 pictures. Let's answer first number 1. Okay, what is picture number 1? It's a duck. Okay, which is the correct word? Is it letter A, D, U, K, or letter B, D, U, C, K? What is the answer? The answer is it letter B? Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Yes, the correct answer is letter B. Let's proceed to number 2 picture. What is that? It's a cat. Yes, which is the correct word? Is it letter A, C-A-T, or letter B, C-A-P? What is the answer? Letter A. Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Is it letter A? Yes, the answer is letter A. Very good. Now let's answer number 3. What animal is that? It's a cow. So which word is the correct? Is it letter A, C-A-W, or letter B, C-O-W? What is your answer? Your answer is it letter B? Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Yes, the correct answer is letter B, C-O-W. Okay, last picture number 4. What animal is that? It's a rabbit. So which is the correct word? Is it letter A, R-A-B-B-I-T, or letter B, L-A-B-B-I-T? What is your answer? Letter A? So let's check if your answer is correct. Is it letter A? Yes, the correct answer is letter A. It's R-A-B-B-I-T. Good job, students. Okay, those are the animals that we can see in the farm. Okay, now I want you to get your notebook, your pencil, and your crayons. Activity 2, you will do it in your notebook. Okay, listen to my instruction. Okay, you are going to draw and color your favorite farm animal. For example, your favorite farm animal is pig. You draw and color it in your notebook. You understand, students? Very good. Okay, you may start doing the activity now. That's all for today, students. I hope you enjoy our lesson today. Okay, everyone, remember, do not forget to wear your mask when you go out and to wash your hands properly. Keep safe, everyone. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.